Adults over age 60 are now the fastest growing demographic in Virginia. As we age, things get more challenging, and our need for support increases. But Adult Protective Services programs are here to help. In Virginia, Adult Protective Services, supported with limited federal grant funding, investigates reports of abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Adult Protective Services programs help adults at risk through connections to community resources and services. Funding gaps threaten essential programs that prevent abuse before it starts. Without sufficiently funded APS programs and prevention programs, older and vulnerable adults in Virginia will see their best years turn into unpredictable years. We are all aging. It's time to recognize it and support it properly. The alternatives are costly and limit the independence, choice, and autonomy of adults, leaving our most vulnerable adults at high risk for financial loss, social isolation, physical injury, and an uncertain future. If you suspect abuse, neglect, or exploitation, call 888-832-3858 or use the online portal and find out more about how your tax dollars keep us all aging safely through Adult Protective Services programs.